Maybe it's good for you. A lot of protein. Blueberry. It's good. Gotta tune this guitar up real good. Come, it's okay. What's that noise? Don't be afraid. Come here! Come here! Would you look at that? Oh, officer, I was so scared. The Chinaman came into my yard with all sorts of karate and he tried to kill me, so I had to shoot him dead. You gonna die, China boy. Wait one cotton-picking minute, Chinaman. What's going on right here? This is a misunderstanding. Misunderstanding, huh? Well, try to have me understand why the hell my dog's in your hands. You finna take him to your restaurant? Is he gonna be the soup of the day? Chicken and broccoli? Or the succulent orange chicken y'all sell? Talk to me. Neither. I talk to animals, and your dog told me he is sick, so I come to pay a visit to make sure he heals. Oh, he can talk to dogs, huh? Well, all right. I'm gonna bless you with a new talent. I'm gonna bless you with the ability to talk to bullets. Now turn around and say hello so I can put your brain on the floor so you can see the mistake you made by coming in this yard, you stupid son of a bitch. No problem. No problem. Hey, stop backing up. Hey, I promise. Stop backing up.